This video explains how to return the index position of the first non-NA value in a vector object using the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you an example, and this example is based on the vector object that we can create with line 2 of the code. So if you run line 2 of the code, you can see at the top right of RStudio that a new vector object is appearing, which is called vec. And we can print this vector object to the bottom in the RStudio console by running line 3 of the code. And then you can see that our vector object contains 6 elements. And you can also see that some of the elements in this vector are NA or not available. So let's assume that we want to find the index position of the first non-NA value. Then we can apply the code that you can see in line 5. So in this line I'm applying the which function, and I'm applying this function to an output of the is.na function. Please note that I'm specifying this bang operator in front of the is.na function to return the position of the first non-NA value. And then within the is.na function, I'm specifying the name of our vector object, so in this case, vec. And then at the end of the which output, I'm also specifying that I only want to return the first output value. So if you run line 5 of the code, you can see at the bottom that the value 4 is returned, and this value corresponds to the index position of the first non-NA value in our vector object. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.